Good night. My name is Diana Corredor. I am from Bogotá. I am 30 years old. I am single. I like to music and read books. Start. Our presentation, English Level 2. Introduce myself. Told about my 3 experiences in Cancun, Mexico. The word in Cancun, Mexico. Recommendations if you go to Cancun, Mexico. 3 my experience in Cancun, Mexico. Okay. Visit the place last year in the month of March. Absolutely beautiful. This for going to Cancun, Mexico. My trip is made on my holidays, and I stayed in a hotel that has a view to the beach. The hotel was really comforting in its price because I was canceling on promotion. I was into really great places such as Xcaret and Chichen Itza Park, where you can find a diversity of animals and activities to do. I was there for 8 days and I came back deleted all over the place. The weather is warm and fresh. You can refresh yourself while delicious drinks. 1. You should go visit the Coral Reef Aquarium. 2. It is better to wear very comfortable clothes for the weather so warm. 3. It is important to create small bags on yourself, personal things. 4. When visiting aquarium, you must take care of the animals that live there. 5. It is necessary that you try the food because it is very delicious. 6. It is important that you walk through the center and know the fun place. 7. It is very important that you many food of your place now. 8. You need to use your sunscreen. What should you do when you want to the good Cancun and visit in it is parts such as Xcaret and Chichen Itza? You should bring repellent because different species come from nature. It is very if you have a good care because the photographers there cause very there. What you should not do: you should not wear it shoes when visiting the parks. Life, age, storytell them in the tours leads you to the of magical place. Welcome to the Coral Reef Aquarium. Bye.